Welcome to QPass, the podcast where
Riksha.
and Jalen Aquino share their honest movie reviews. Today, we are joined by special guests.
Hello, I am Arjeline Plasencia.
And I'm Jerome Rojas.
I'm John Michael Palencia.
I'm Enrico Milante.
And I'm Lester Trinidad.
Denise Olivar.
Sandra Pado.
Alin Tanyo.
Hello guys, welcome to the show.
Hello! Thanks for having us.
We're discussing about the chilling film, Eerie 2019.
Ooh, spooky.
Yeah, it's kind of
Goosebumps.
goosebumps.
Eerie is set in an all-girls Catholic school where a series of mysterious students suicide occurs.
It's terrifying. Remember that compassionate teacher?
That's Bea Alonso as Miss Pat, the guidance counselor.
Bea Alonso.
Yeah, she investigates a student's death while communicating with other spirits of some deceased students.
Is Miss Pat a shaman? She seems to see the dead.
Yeah, you got a point.
Yeah, Miss Pat quickly earns trust of some students, even the spirits.
Right?
Ooh,
The non-strictness highlights the stern environment of Catholic schools, emphasizing discipline and specific moral values.
The movie's atmosphere is unsettling, using lighting and color palettes, wash out sepia to create a sense of dread.
I actually like the lightning.
Yeah, it's creepy.
The close-up quiet scenes are genuinely goosebumps and intoxicating.
The film touches on how religion and society wrongly judge mental illness, hindering those seeking help. Fear of judgment prevents people from asking for support.
Yeah.
We need to be kinder, educate people about mental health, and improve access to help.
Yeah.
The film also shows the cruelty faced by LGBTQ individuals in this restrictive school environment.
That's right.
Great thoughts, everyone!
Yeah. Whoop! The ending was unexpected, wasn't it?
Whoa, you're late, Enrico!
Whatever. But, whoa, the ending was insane.
The twist is that Miss Pat, despite seemingly surviving her encounter with Aries, actually died. The ending gave me chills. Miss Pat helped Joyce and a student attempting suicide.
Damn.
Joyce was devastated, and Miss Pat was her lifeline.
With Miss Pat's death, Joyce loses hope and attempts suicide again.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
It
right?
made me cry.
Yeah.
Same. But even as a ghost, Pat helps Joyce, mirroring herself as a counselor.
What a helpful teacher.
What a chilling yet meaningful film!
Beyond the horror, it explores grief, trauma, and institutional silence. Bea Alonso's performance as Pat Consolacion was incredible.
Yeah.
That's right. Her portrayal of fear, empathy, and exhaustion was powerful.
Yeah.
It's for viewers who prefer psychological horror over typical ghost stories.
It's not about jump scares, but the story, lasting impact, 4/5 stars. Right?
Yeah,
Same.
yeah.
I rate it for 4.5 out of 5 stars too. Thanks to Bea Alonso's outstanding performance.
Yeah, that's true.
A must-watch for
Really?
horror fans who appreciate depth. It's a slow burn but rewarding. The ending symbolism is fascinating.
Thank you, everyone! Watch Eerie! It's impactful! Jinx! We love to be here in this podcast. Thank you for having us, QPass sisters.
Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.